Good afternoon. I've decided that I want a tuna salad croissant, so I'm going to make some right quick. I have a small, all I've got is small cans of tuna, so I'm going to use 2 small cans of tuna. This is Starkist Chunk Light Tuna, and it's packed in water. I'm going to use 2 cans of that, half a cup of red onion, half a cup of celery, half a cup of pickle, and I use my pickle. You can use any pickle you want. And we're going to use 2 boiled eggs. So we shall get started. Okay, I have opened my tuna, so I'm going to drain it. Now, after I opened my can, I found out that I have got 1 can of Chunk Light Tuna, and I've got 1 can of Starkist Chunk White albacore tuna. But that's okay, we're just going to mix it all together. Just makes it a different color. Okay, we have got 2 eggs that I have boiled, and so we're going to dice them up. I boiled my eggs yesterday, so I didn't have to do that this morning. But if you don't do them the day before, that does not matter. I just was going to do something else and I didn't do it. So today we're just going to have, I'm going to make some tuna salad, and I'm going to cook some croissants, and we're going to have tuna on a croissant. Okay, we just put that right on in the dish. And we're going to have half a cup of onions. I like the red onions. Okay, I think I have half a cup. Let's just see right quick. There's one that didn't get cut up very good. There we go. Half a cup of red onions right in the bowl. And we're going to do a half a cup of celery. I'm going to cut up just a little bit more. I think I about got a half a cup. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Okay, now I've got a half a cup of celery. Put that right on in there too. And the only thing left now is our pickle. And I know if y'all watch my channel very much, you know that I use my own pickle. I used to make my pickles like every year, and I would make 14, 15 jars at a time. Now I make it every other year, and I usually make 7 jars. Nobody here but me, and I do eat a lot of pickles, especially when my kids come down from North Carolina. Potato salad, deviled eggs. They love Mama's pickles. I actually have a video showing you how to make the homemade pickles like I do. But I want to tell you before you even start on it, it's a 3-day process. Worth your effort to me. I used to give them a lot of times for Christmas, but I've just about stopped that now. Now let's see what we've got here. We have half a cup of pickle. Easy recipe, half a cup, half a cup. Okay. Now all we've got to do is just stir this together. Blend it in. Mix it in. This is 2 cans of tuna, and it's just the, these are just 5-ounce cans. And like I say, I didn't know it until I already got it open, but I had 2 different kinds, Chunk Light Tuna and albacore white tuna. But it will be fine. Now that I've got it all mixed together, you cannot actually tell one from the other. And our mayonnaise. I'll put a little pepper in it. You can salt it any way you like to. Like I say, I do not use salt very seldom. And we'll just start off with 2 spoonsful of mayonnaise. I use Duke's mayonnaise. Use your whatever you prefer. And I can tell you right now I don't need any more mayonnaise, but it will soak it up some. Okay, well, I'm going to cook on the croissants and we'll fix us a platter, but I'm going to cover this and set it in the refrigerator. Okay, again, this is 2 spoonsful of mayonnaise, half a cup of pickle, 2 5-ounce can of tuna, half a cup of red onion, and a half a cup of celery. 2 eggs boiled and chopped up. So we'll set this in the refrigerator right quick. And what I've got here is just Pillsbury croissants. There's 4 croissants in this little container. You might need more, but this is all I need. Wow. Wasn't expecting that to pop quite that quick. So all you need to do is get them out of the can. There we go. And we're just going to roll them out. And we're going to separate them. And you actually roll from the longer side. Just roll them up. Ungreased, it said. Cookie sheet. I've got my ovens heating up to 375, and we're going to put these in there and cook them for 10 minutes or until golden brown. And curve them in a crescent shape. Don't look like I did very good, but anyway, curve them in a crescent shape. Okay, I cooked these for 9 minutes. And didn't they turn out good? I'm just going to put them over here on this plate. And do they not look good? They're not the biggest ones you've ever seen. Okay, I've got my tuna out. Let's just give that just a stir. And we're going to cut one of these. Well, it would be nice if I took the casing off of the knife. I'm going to go ahead and make 2. I definitely have enough tuna, but I like tuna, and tuna is, well, I made a mess of that one, but that's okay. Tuna is always good the day after anyway, so we're going to put this one over here on my plate. Now I have tuna croissants. Now if you like lettuce, you can always put lettuce in it, and we're ready to eat. Again, Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please join my channel. Give me your comments. I like hearing from you. And come back to see me. And have a fantastic day.